Hi everybody, my name is Melanie. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today is a very exciting day. As you could see from the title of this video, today we are unboxing my new Gucci bag. I am super excited about this one. I love handbags, and if you love handbags too, then you are in the right place. First, before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much to Juan and Justina at the Gucci store in Cherry Creek Mall in Denver, Colorado, because they were the ones who pointed out this bag to me, and I ended up getting it. I tried it on. I absolutely loved it. There were fireworks, and I loved this bag. I have a bag collection right now that is mostly made up of affordable luxury and premium bags. This is my first luxury bag. So actually, when I saw this bag, I loved it, but I actually decided to wait on it. And the reason why is because this being my first luxury bag, I wanted to make sure that it was a considered purchase. So even though I loved the bag in the store, I went home, I thought about it for a month or so, and then decided I absolutely loved it and wanted to go back and get it. So today we're gonna unbox this, and let's go ahead, let's unbox it. I am so excited. Thank you for joining me for this today. So this is how the bag came from the Gucci store. This is how Juan packed it up for me. And it came in this beautiful red bag, and all the packaging is the same color. So here we are. I'm gonna set my bag over here. And so in a beautiful red box with this beautiful Gucci ribbon as well. Here's my receipt. And I don't know if I would ever sell this bag. I absolutely love this bag. And like I said, it's my first luxury purchase, so I don't know that I would ever sell it. But if I did, I plan to keep everything so that I could keep it as a full set. So my receipt is in here. And then let's go ahead and open up the ribbon. So fun, okay. And our nice box. And then we have the tissue with the Gucci sticker, of course. I'm so excited to see it. I haven't seen it since we were in the store. And the dust bag as well. Oh, here she comes. I'm so excited. Oh, here she is. And here she is. So this is the Gucci Diana mini bag with bamboo. And I absolutely adore this bag. If you know at all about the Gucci heritage and some of the history of the brand, you know that bamboo is a staple for this brand. And so I love that little detail that kind of harkens back to Gucci's history. And then in gold, we have the small GG logo, plain on the back. And we'll open her up. The inside of the bag is a microfiber lining. And then because this is such a small bag as well, I really loved that it came with these two different card slots. Since space is kind of a premium with a bag like this, I loved that it already came with that feature. The bag has a long strap, and so you're able to wear it crossbody. Another thing that I really liked about this bag is that this strap is it's very substantial. You can really feel the weight to it and the quality of it as well. So I really loved that. And it's kind of as you can see, it's kind of a antique gold color as well. So of course, this is long enough for crossbody wear. Another thing that I saw someone else do with this bag was they actually looped it so that you could wear it over the shoulder as well. And so here's two different ways of wearing it. And then another way that I saw as well, so with the design of the strap here, you can actually remove this altogether. And so if you wanted to, this bag could be a clutch as well. So I brought my phone here as well because I wanted to be able to show you. This is a iPhone 13 mini, and here's what the bag capacity looks like. So actually, I have plenty of room in here. If I wanted to put some kind of a antibacterial wipe, maybe my lipstick, maybe a small, hair comb or something like that, I would be able to fit all my essentials in here. And so I'm just so excited about this bag. And I think that she is just going to be great. Anywhere from going to work to going to dinners, going to different kinds of events. I am so excited to wear this bag. And the outside is kind of a creamy off-white color in leather. I would say this is it's a grained leather. And so this is my first white bag as well, like this. And so I'm going to be very conscious of, what I wear her with so that I avoid color transfer. But I just adore this bag. I am so excited about it. I think she is just going to be great. And I think it's such a classic style that I'm just going to be able to wear for decades to come. Again, I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. And before I let you go, I just wanted to share one more thing with you. Juan and Justina were nice enough to include this tote bag with my purchase, and these are usually an online exclusive, so I was really thankful for that. If you have one of these from your own Gucci purchase, I would love to know in the comments. Let me know how you use it. I think it would be a great shopping bag or a great beach bag or great for so many things, but I would love to know from you how you love to use these bags. I would also love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's video, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and let me know so that I know to make more videos. As I said, I love handbags and I have others on my wish list. And so I hope to be making more of these videos, and it would mean the world to me to know that this was helpful to you and that you enjoyed it. So thank you again so much for joining me today. Thank you for sharing in my excitement as I opened up and unboxed my very first Gucci bag, this mini Diana bag with bamboo. I just adore it, and I was so happy to have you join me. So thank you so much, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye.